Hi Nathan, just a quick testimonial for you. The two things that stand out for me for the DRT training is the intensity, number one, which is massive, and the simplicity. I think the more simple exercises are and the easier it is to do, the better it is, especially for people that are hardworking. Me, myself, I'm an S&C coach in South Africa, and I don't always have the time to do sessions for longer than 45 minutes to an hour. These sessions fit in perfectly to my routine and what I need. And what I love about it is that you get into flow really, really quickly. And everything in your mind just clears it up. And then from there on, you can go on. The mobility aspect of all the zoo exercises in between the strength stuff is just amazing. Like I said in my video online with the team, is that when I did the deadlifts, I hit a PB. Now, I'm not a very big man and I'm not very strong, but for me, that was massive as I hit my PBs in around 8, 9, and 10. On the deadlift, and hang cleans on the next day was unbelievable. The amount of power and anaerobic endurance that you get is incredible, and therefore I give you a touch is absolutely brilliant. I love DRT training, and I think going forward for my own training, what I'm going to do, especially when we're on tour now for 5 weeks, that is something that I will definitely take with me. I think this is a game changer. It's not some of the newer stuff that you see out there on the market. It's really, really just so simple and so good, and the variety in the program over 6 days, incredible. Get a touch.